Hey guys, just a quick update for Unity. This is a platform now that we've been in for a little bit over a month, and they have their event this month, or actually, not this month, in May. And I think there's another 24 or 48 hours left in this promotion that they have to qualify for their first summit. Obviously, people that hit the V2 position, if you've been watching some of our other videos, you'll know that you have to hit the position of V2. Again, this platform is pretty big in the Latin America, or getting bigger. Obviously, their main leaders are from the Latin American market, so their natural market is, in Latin America. But in the English speaking market, it's still a very, very new platform. But yeah, they're going to be making a couple of big announcements over in that summit, from what I understand. Couple of apps that they've been developing, trading, sports trading. Again, I don't want to let the cat out of the bag. It's not my place to do that. I don't want to get in trouble either. But yeah, I just want to give you a quick update, then share this quick video with you to promote this event that they have coming out. Again, this platform, USDT, in and out, very, very smooth. But yeah, let's jump into it. Of course, I want to start off by saying that I am not a financial advisor. Never take anything I say as financial advice. If you are going to get into this platform, please do your own research and due diligence, and only put in what you can afford to lose, guys. Risk capital only. So that being said, let me show you the video real quick. Let me pull it up. I probably should have pulled it up before I started the video here, but give me 1 second here. Okay, so So again, their biggest leaders are obviously coming from the Latin American space. Their WhatsApp groups, the WhatsApp groups that I've been shared, they're pretty sizable. They're obviously filled with Spanish speaking people. So again, this is more, it's a much bigger platform in the Latin American space, but it pays out. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Every withdrawal that I've made has come through. And again, this one here, you can make up to 20% per month. Of course, if you put in 1,000 USDT or more, you'll make up to 20% per month. Of course, if you put a little bit less than that, you'll make a little bit less. But again, $1,000 USDT is not really that big of a deal. I think anyone can afford that. You'll be making up to 20% per month, and you can actually pull your capital out anytime you feel like it. That's pretty powerful. Okay, the flexibility to pull your capital out. Of course, if you pull your capital out after 30 days, there's no penalty. If you pull it out before 30 days, there's a 15% penalty. But either way, the bulk of your capital you can pull out anytime you feel like it. There's a lot of leeway and flexibility there, which is powerful. You don't really have that in a lot of platforms nowadays. So again, Unity World, this has been doing its thing. And again, the cool thing about it is they do have a pretty cool compensation plan where you can get a match of up to 5 levels. And that is on the passive income earned on your team members. So as they're earning every day, Monday through Friday, right? Just like you're earning on your deposit, on your license package, whatever you want to call it, they're earning, you're going to get a match. So your daily pay Monday through Friday can exponentially grow if you're sharing this with people, which is again, very, very powerful. So yeah, very cool stuff. So again, at their event in Colombia, they're going to be doing I believe they're going to be doing a yacht party. They're going to be doing a couple of different events. You can meet the owners. They also have their November event already scheduled. You have to be a V5 for that. So again, they're thinking down the road, from what I understand from the conversations I've had with my sponsor, this is going to be a long-term deal. Of course, no guarantees. You can't foretell the future, but so far so good. It looks very, very promising. Again, it's paying, it's cranking, all the withdrawals coming through very, very smooth. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link down below, but just a heads up, I think what is that, 48 hours left in this promo to get to Colombia. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next update video. Follow me on Telegram, subscribe to the channel. As always, risk capital only, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.